Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the feature in Settings so your iPhone can speak names. Open Settings and go to Phone or Siri and search. Once there, find Announce Calls and set it to Always or the headphones mode you prefer. Make sure Siri is enabled and the voice/volume suits you, because Siri reads names at the system voice level. Once done, test with a known contact so you confirm that the correct name is announced rather than a number. Now polish the data Siri reads by editing contacts. You should open a contact and add phonetic first and last name fields when Siri mispronounces a name. This teaches the speech engine how to say it. Also consider adding a nickname field if you prefer informal announcements. Once you update the contact, call or have them call you to check pronunciation. Make sure duplicates or merged contacts are resolved, so Siri picks the right entry for accurate announcing. Finish by systematically testing announcements across scenarios: incoming calls with headphones, car Bluetooth, and speaker. If Siri doesn't announce names, restart the iPhone first, then toggle Announce Calls off and back on to reset the feature. Make sure Bluetooth profiles don't override announce settings, and confirm Do Not Disturb or Silence Unknown Callers isn't blocking announcements. If problems continue, change Siri's voice or install the latest iOS update, because speech synthesis fixes often arrive in system updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.